Thank you so much. My name is Angelina Akol. I'm station manager for Akol Yam FM. Akol Yam is a community radio based in northern Barkazali State, Awil Tower. And this radio is covered not the whole of northern Barkazali State, some part of Wow, some part of Warap, some part of Abia, and the other areas around northern Barkazali State. What happened this afternoon is something very unfortunate, and I want to say sorry to our listeners because I was at home and I got a call from security guard that there is something happened within the compound. So I rushed to the station and I got that the antenna or tower is down. So I don't know exactly what happened because the rain was so heavy and the wind also was so heavy. So I got the antenna is down and I asked the people and they say the antenna was just full. So what I did, I rushed to the studio to put off the power because my worry was just like the power would cause something. And I want to thank God because during the incident, the transmitter was off. If transmitter was on, then there will be a power. So I thank God because the transmitter was off and everything was, in good condition except this one. So what I want to say now, this radio station will remain up because we don't have a pan to repair it again. And this antenna costs about 200,000 USD. To do it is not something easy for us unless the government, especially the national government and the government of Northern Barkazali State should support. And the people of Northern Barkazali State, not only the government, because most of the people, they receive information on Akol Yam. Like now, social media is just for young people, like youth. But most of the people, like elders, they don't know how to access social media. So they just only receive the information on Akol Yam FM. But if Akol Yam is home now, the people are intact and they will not receive any information. And this time is a very critical time. We know very well the issue of cholera outbreak reported in South Sudan. And also this is the time for cultivation where the government and other partners supporting agricultural sector used to pass information through Akol Yam. But up to now, there will be no any information again. The radio will remain up. And I want to say sorry to our listeners because we love them so much. But this incident happened is not a human being or a man-made. We don't know, but I want to ask the listeners to remain calm. And we hope that the government of South Sudan or government of Northern Barkazali State will try their best to support the Akol Yam to come back.
No, you the police.
Iya.
Jadi nanang kau jelu gabung tu orang Jadi nanang kau jelu gabung tu orang
Mọi juga đang đi rồi, mọi juga đang có biết dùng rồi.
Era tu?
Ai nói gì chú lại cái này cho nó barut.